Alright, so I just got a package in the mail and I need a short video to come out this weekend because I will be down at Quad State. Actually, it's next weekend from when I'm filming this, but when you're seeing this, I will be at Quad State and I needed a quick video that I don't need much editing on to get put out. So, this just came in the mail today, and this should be a new vacuum tube for my induction furnace. I've had my eye on one of these ever since I got the induction furnace, because there are two different types of tube that fit it. They are all the same tube, but there's the earlier and later styles of them, and this happens to be an earlier one. I also was interested in this as one of those eBay purchases. One of the other reasons I was interested in it was that it is supposedly comes in the original packaging as well, so I'm excited to see that. Wasn't too terribly expensive, it was right in my price range, so even if it turns out to be a dud, it'll be a good shelf, a good mantelpiece. I thought that was the one in the original packaging. I guess not. I'll have to check the listing, but here it is. Eimac VT129 304TL tube. Oh, is that not beautiful? I'm listening to it. I don't hear any rattling, so it might just be a good one. There's red down here, interesting, where that base is cemented on. You can see, I believe that is actually uranium glass used to seal it up here at the grid tap and on the base here. So that's very cool. Yeah, VT129. I've had my eyeball on one of these for a while. I thought this one was supposed to come in the original packaging. I don't know. I'll have to double check that listing and see what's up. Now, as I mentioned, this is the earlier style, the VT129 style. Later on, Eimac had the one that they listed only as a 304TL. And you can see the envelope is pretty much the same. The later one does not use uranium glass for sealing. Well, apparently it sticks up a little higher on the earlier ones. Dimensionally, they're actually a little bit different. You can see there. This is one that I blew up, actually. You can see the plate is a little bit... That plate there is a little bit past its prime. I didn't know what I was doing and accidentally popped this one. I made a nice light show, though. But I now know better than to turn the Alright, so excuse the lighting, the carpet, and well, probably the quality of this video here, but I'm kind of shooting this in short order because we're packing to leave for Quad State right now, but this box just came in. I did talk to the seller, and it was a packing error. He had someone else pack it for him, and they thought they were doing a good job by repacking it with modern materials rather than the original one, even though because they didn't realize the listing included the original packaging. That box is still smaller than I thought it was. I was told that it was just cut open only to take pictures of the tube, and well, I guess ship it to me without this. So, looks like the mice got to it, but there probably was a sticker on this at one point detailing what it is, or what it was. A little bit of tape there. But yeah, it'll be nice to be able to put the tube back away where this came from. Yeah, it looks like the mice did try to make a home in here. Yep, Eimac transmitting tube. Cool. But that is a problem for a later time, because like I said, I'm getting ready to go, so I'm gonna pack this back up and edit this, upload it, and be on my way.